Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a quick little tip on how you can level up your video productions using your RodeCaster Pro. Today I'm going to show you a little demonstration on how to do voiceovers. First thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make sure that your RodeCaster Pro is connected to your computer via USB. You're going to have to make sure that your sliders that you're going to be using for the voiceover are turned up on the RodeCaster Pro. In all the videos I've done about the RodeCaster Pro, it seems like the #1 problem when people can't hear a source or they're not hearing sound effects is that their volume slider is not turned up to where it's supposed to be. So very easy thing to overlook when you're setting up the RodeCaster Pro. So let's go into the software here. I've got my clip pulled up into Final Cut Pro, and I'm going to want to do a voiceover over my little camera demonstration here. So what you have to do is go to Window. Nope, I'm actually in QuickTime there. I've got to go to Window in Final Cut Pro, and I've got to go to Record Voiceover. And it brings up this awesome little record voiceover menu here. And the thing I like about it is when you hit record, it gives you a little 3, 2, 1 countdown. And if you're like me, I've got to do several takes on all of these videos. So when it gives me a little heads up, I get a split second to, well, actually 3 seconds to think of what I'm going to say for the voiceover. So let's record, and I can just show you how this works. So in this video, I am giving a little demonstration on why the face auto detect isn't working. And let's say I mess up this voice recording, I push pause. I don't like how that sounded, or I just didn't say what I wanted to say about it. So the cool thing about this is it brings it right back to the location you started, and you can start recording over top of what you just recorded. So let's start up again and try another voiceover. This is the test of the voiceover feature using the RodeCaster Pro and Final Cut Pro. Now let's say that's exactly what I like. I can go down into Final Cut Pro here and hit the space bar to push play and see how it sounds. This is the test of the voiceover feature using the RodeCaster Pro and Final Cut Pro. So as you can see, it's a very easy way to level up your audio on your recordings or on your videos. When I first started YouTube, I thought, you know what, I've got the RodeCaster Pro, that's just for podcasting. I've got other mics that I can use for voiceovers, including just the built-in microphone on the computer. But as many of you know, that doesn't sound nearly as good as what you have with your RodeCaster Pro. So I hope you found this tip useful. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. If I have an answer, I'll give it to you. If I don't have an answer, I'll try and reach out to some of my other content creator friends and see if they've got answers for you guys. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.